Hey, what's up, everybody? It's another early Saturday morning. It's not even 6 a.m. Time for a walkthrough through our garden. And we set up another little netting there. And the other day, um, the pigs came in and just tore it all down. So that's why, like, these fell down, like our uh, Chinese red lettuce. So in this fence, our kale's coming up. So we've put the fence over here because something kept eating the kale. Our lettuce is huge. We have a lot of lettuce to harvest. In there we have, wow, the daikon came up super fast. We just planted that after the pigs ate it. Just random stuff growing here. Our marigolds, I think we should pick some and make some decorations. But there's our daikon over there. Looking good. Our lettuce trees, those are going to come out. Harvest those this weekend and replant. There are pineapples getting bigger. That's black-seeded Simpson lettuce. We're gonna let go to seed. Oh, one of them fell down. And this is bok choy coming up. We're gonna weed that, thin that out. And we made a bed here, which is that's stevia. Oh, that's coming up really good. And that's shiso. And we planted some basil there, but that's not coming up. But that's really good. These are doing really well. Let's look at our beds here. And we did a little experiment. So here's our beans. Wait, this is a weed. This is a weed. That bed is dead. This bean's coming up. And this is our beets. And this is an experiment. So we transplanted some lettuce there. We thought it was bigger, so nothing would eat it, but obviously something's eating it. So lettuce, no good out here without the fence. Something's gonna eat it. Now, why they don't eat the other ones, I have no idea. Our onions are getting huge. So this is our seedlings. So lettuce to transplant, green onion, and we planted some beets over there, and that's coming up. It's a beautiful morning. It kind of rained a little last night. See the grounds when nice and wet. Love that. So here's our lily koi. Looking for any fruit. Oh, here's one. There's one over there. So we're gonna have lily koi again. That's good. So let's take a look at this bed here. This tomato plant is not doing so good. Ooh, chayote is going crazy. Peppers to harvest. We transplanted some. Oh, something walked through and broke that pepper leaf. We transplanted some bok choy here. That's doing well. Chayote, I'm gonna start cutting this back today. Cut off these shoots because one of our friends said these are good to stir fry. So we're gonna try that out. Want to see some chayote fruit though. Our pepper plants aren't doing very well. Not sure why. And the chayote is overrunning our eggplant. Oh, this bed's crazy. A lot of bok choy. The bok choy went wild. We're gonna have bok choy to harvest. Gonna thin that out. And we also have lettuce. So lots of vegetables to harvest this weekend. Our zucchini plant is on its last leg. Shall we pull this guy out this week? Maybe. There's some flowers over there. But yeah, I think we'll just pull this out. Flower bed. Here's our winter melon. In the winter we're gonna see some melons. Our onions. We harvested some tomatoes last week. There are gonna be more to harvest here. Our beets, we pulled some out. And we replanted beets here and they're coming up. Let's go to our last bed. Oh, here's a flower. Here's a flower. So here are red potatoes. It's not growing as fast as I thought. There are purple potatoes. Love the leaves. And our cucumber. This one's doing pretty good. Maybe we'll have a healthy cucumber plant. Well, it's a beautiful Saturday morning. Sun's coming up over there. Gonna get to work to harvesting, do some gardening, and hopefully do some fishing and diving. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and aloha.